Morning, guys. 7:34 UTC time, May the 1st, 2021. New month. And it's the weekend. Time to celebrate. No champagne, just a hot brew tea. All right. Literally just turned on the computer. Eyes are still groggy. Excuse me. What's going on? I don't know. You tell me. Although you can't tell me. Mr. Market will tell me, right? As always respect Mr. Market. He will talk to you if you listen to him. Don't listen to other people. Look at the numbers. All right, look at the numbers. That's all the chatter you need to be listening to. A guy on YouTube doesn't pay you, or does he? Are you taking affiliate links and stuff like ads? I don't. You can't send me money. I don't ask for money. So I don't receive tokens from projects. I don't have affiliate links. All you want to do is crypto.com. Why not? I mean, how else are you going to get fiat into crypto? You need an on-ramp, right? You need an on-ramp and you need a place to spend your profit. So Coinbase doesn't really allow that. I tried their card. It sucked so bad. It was unusable. Maybe things improved, but BitPay card never really worked. You would go onto online retailer and try and use it and get denied. So that's once you get denied a couple of times, you just kind of throw the card at the bottom of your drawer, don't you? It's like kind of worthless. It's just you embarrass yourself when you get denied. There's no one around to see it. He's still like, ugh, poor. And then it's not just applies to a crypto.com cards or Visa crypto cards in general. Crypto.com, I've never had an issue. Literally, the only problem I've had in terms of payment not going through is when I try to, fund a like a betting website. They won't do that. Okay, that's fine. You shouldn't gamble. Occasional flutter here on big major sporting events is cool, but you should be daily gambling or weekly, whatever. Also try to fund plus 500 account, and that didn't work either. So obviously there's clear, they got some rules in place to protect themselves and protect you, I guess. But in terms of as a consumer, nah, it's never failed. What has happened though is even I've seen this on my general bank cards, which I don't really use, but some online websites, retail websites, you go to pay with your credit or debit card, and it will just hang up. And you kind of end up resigning just going through the PayPal payment method instead. Is that the PayPal mafia inserting their influence? It could well be, because it's not just one or two times this happened. It's happened to me at least 10 times. It's gotten to the point where I'll whip out my card and it's like, should I just PayPal it? So it's working. It's working. All right, enough chitter chatter. 4:20 minutes. Bitcoin, wow, 58,000. This was a key level for it to claim. Very key. So let's do the hourly. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Beautiful. And you could even say this was key level. This was a key level. These lines don't have to be like pinpoint. You can even say it should be 58,094. And let's look at the candle. Candle. like what is that, 58,171? We're above. So should you be going long right now after it's done that move? No. Take some profits here. Well, take profits. Yeah. I mean, this is not just a general trading opinion. So I'm just giving you an opinion. You should be listening to Mr. Market, like I said at the beginning. He's giving stronger opinions. The real, it's not even an opinion. It's a fact, isn't it? Double bottomed here. Double bottomed here. You've got your inverse head and shoulders. So what does inverse head and shoulder project to? 57,288. Wow, so 10,000. Wow. I think in the previous idea I called for 68k. 68k puts us right here, right? 68. And we can do that. Whee. But would it pop here to 60 and come back down to 57? It could do that, right? That's a potential scenario. So if you play this inverse head and shoulders, when did you get in? When did you start spotting it? You should have started spotting. Well, first you got a double bottom, right? Now it's in your head. You got a left shoulder. You got a head forming, and then when it starts exploding above this level here, then you know a head is forming, right? And so you could probably go long here, play for a couple foul, go to USDT. You want to play short? Nah, you don't want to play short. Then start picking in cheeky bids. 1, 2, 3, 4 bids, whatever. Scale in. And then you got your trend line here. And that's when you go in for really huge size, right? So you could have got 55 to 58, $3,000. $3,000 potential. This is all scenarios that could have happened. It could have happened to you. You may have done this. There we go. That's nice, isn't it? That's even better. So, I said this in another video. Baseline. So there we go. This is it. Bang. Still in the red. You're like, what? We're still in the red. I think it's pulling back now. Look, yeah, it's pulling back now. So it needs some rest. Even Godcoin needs some rest. Yeah. Okay. Where's it going to go down to? I don't know. Maybe here, 56. Maybe it's just a few $100s. I don't know. Maybe it's just going to tag the red line, right? I don't trade. Not that I've given it up. It's just like I don't need that in my life. Really, I don't need it. Yeah. What else is going on? Let's have a look at these other charts. So you got original. Oh, okay. Yeah. If we do that, okay. Still got work to do. Still got work to do, but I tagged this from way back here a month ago as a too late to buy opportunity. It's not too late, right? If it comes down here, this could be too late. Like next 2-3 days, like amazing. Still, this pennant is still giving you a time reference point, right? And then launch. Shall I draw a line? Oh wait, why not? Maybe that's the play, right? May 3rd, so Monday, something like that. I don't know. I'm not even watching, guys. I just hop on every so often on the computer. Disgusting colour, but I'll keep it. Oh, look at that. Nailed it. What was that? Could that be the angle of attack? Oh, it's done that angle of attack. Here. 30, 60, 60, 200. 100's only here. All right. That same angle. Look at that. All right. I'm keeping that green line. Keeping that green line. Let's get rid of this area chart now. It's beginning to bug me. Oh, yeah. May 3rd. So will it be... Oh, look at that. Even if it's in May 3rd, and it's at new all-time highs by then, maybe goes hit that. Oh, man. Remember to target 68k, right? Oh, this is going to be an interesting week, guys. We'll find out if it hits. It's going to go to 100k this week, right? We should find out by Memorial Day. Let's see what's going on. The CME closed at 57,315. I'll do a weekly candle analysis. This is a bit for next. Let's have a look. Ooh, why did I draw 48,000? I don't know. You have to look at my old ideas or follow me and see what I'm saying at the time. Renko Kako. Hakinasi. Daniel-san. Let's do daily. Let's do monthly. Yeah. Mr. Bottom A. Still Presidente. Look at his candles, solid. There's no wicks on the bottom. No wicks on the bottom. Found months now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now in May. Oh, this is still April. May. One large May candle. The size of this candle. We'll hit 100. 100 is just there. Right? Look how long this downdraft was. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 candles. Isn't 16 candles a film from the 80s? I never watched it. I heard it's supposed to be good, right? Like era-defining flick. I only know of it because of Howard and Kumar, obviously, right? Howard and Kumar go to White Castle. That's essentially a double bottom, right? Double bottom. April. Still Presidente's bottom at 48. There's his bottom. Weekly. I guess it's gonna be a just solo Bitcoin video. That's fine. Tweezers. It's like a nice shelf it's got now, isn't it? Lovely shelf. Action. Are people still calling for rollover and death and destruction? Is Tone Vase calling for 20,000? I don't know what he's called. I don't watch him. I'm not on Twitter. I never even followed him on Twitter. Tell me the worst bear calls you received during this carnage. Was I the only one telling you to go long? I'm sure there were others. But the guys with many, many followers, it behooves their interests and their pockets to, not always tell you the truth. No one pays me nothing, so my words are my own. There's a great photographer I think he may be dead now, but he was lived in New York. I think he lived in Carnegie Hall, his apartment. There's apartments in Carnegie Hall, if you don't know. And he was a street photographer, fashion photographer for New York Times. I think his first name was Bill. Never got married. He just dedicated to his craft, didn't it? Just worked. Um, and I think he was gay, but it never really came out. And maybe he didn't even date anyone. Maybe just had a couple, you know what I mean, a couple here and there. But he was just dedicated to his craft, and just working away. And he would shoot, people in New York, beautiful people, beautiful girls, especially. He was, again, like I said, he was homosexual, but we never came out. But he never took any money from anyone. And the couple of checks he did receive from the New York Times, I don't think he ever cashed them. And then he was a weekly column editor. Like, his pictures were that famous. So, excuse me there. I hope that didn't get picked up. Oh, I don't really care. This morning. But so it's people like that who don't take money from people. They can't be told what to do. They just work on their craft, work on their passion all throughout their life. And maybe you got into the point where he was such a nice guy that he wasn't even paying rent. Or if he did, they were like, why charge you? You're an asset to Carnegie Hall. And I think his apartment was just filled with files and photos and stuff. And like, it wasn't like a nice place to live. It was just, his work. He lived in his work. He breathed his work. That kind of thing. Daily. Yeah, look him up. I'm sure there's documentaries on him. So yeah, try to send me money. So we got a nice purple candle on the daily on a hiking. We had some indecision. 29th. Yesterday was strong. What was yesterday in terms of actual price number go up? So the low 53,175, close 57,315. It was at 4,300 up day. Wow, didn't even know that. Up 8%. Is it more than this? No, yeah, it's a bit more than this candle. Amazing, isn't it? How this works. This is CME. Plus 6%. Plus 8%. That looks weird, isn't it? Oh, it's a log, isn't it? Still. Plus 3.2. Plus 4.3. What? It looks weird, doesn't it? That's bizarre. Okay. So taking the log off. Oh, look at that. This just gives it a whole different visual, doesn't it? That looks just like nothing ever happened here. There was a lot going on here. Oh my god. This is so funny. Oh, look at this. This is good info. Do we have a bullish engulfing? Oh. For bullish engulfing to occur, the body of this candle has got to engulf body of this candle. Let's figure this out. I've got time to end on this. Oh yeah, look, it's clear, right? Low 47395. This low's obviously lower. High 57,750. Oh, this is gonna be close. 57,310. Wait. The high is 57,750. Can you see that? The high here is 57,535. But the close is, way higher. So we're good. We did it. Look, we did it. Bullish engulfing on the weekly, on the CME. Oh, guys, cheers. Appreciate you. Peace, Balaji.